Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen T3 Custom, and this is from P Case. So okay, one of my friend bought this for me. I bought it for MRP only, which is 179. So unfortunately, I was not able to get all the castings from this Q case so far. Hopefully, I will get it maybe in someday. But let's see. So first, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So these are like only one casting in one box. So yeah, okay. So the first impressions of this casting, this does look really nice. You can see the paint job here. Okay, so okay, only this. Yeah, okay, only this part here is made of metal, and yeah. So the entire base here, I'm not only talking about the chassis, but the part here you can see the bottom half. So this entire part is actually plastic. Only this part is metal. At least it feels metal. Yeah, only this part is metal. So the logo placement is really nice, and you can see the graphics and everything here, which looks really nice. Wow, this is honestly, for a change, this looks really really nice. So from the rear it looks like car from a future, like you can see here the exhaust and everything. This feels like straight out of cyberpunk video game, but it does look really nice. It looks really cool. I hope you guys can see the interior a little bit. It's a bit hard to see even for me. Caution, I don't know, it says intake or what it is. Let's see this side whether we are able to read. Yeah, it says intake. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it does reach the end, which is really nice. Let's do one more time. Okay, it does wobble a lot, especially while it rolls, you can see the body vibrating a lot. You know, the pitch, that is called pitch. So you can see, right? But honestly, I'm not going to play with it. But if you are planning to play with it, I'm not sure this is going to do very well on the track. So honestly, rest of the thing, it looks really amazing. Maybe a little bit paint smear here, but I don't see much of a paint job issue or anything. There are small paint, scratches here. So I have to say this right. Whenever I'm just trying to say something nice about Mattel and Hot Wheels, but the next second something else is coming, which is really bad. But overall, this is really a very nice casting. If you guys can able to get this one, just go out and get it. Get one. I know, I'm not being sarcastic here, but out of a good heart, I'm just saying, telling you this. If you have money, and if you are able to get this casting, if it is available in your nearby stores, go ahead and get it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.